Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. Um, I'm gonna be honest with you, this one is a bit of a hot mess. So you can tell from the title of the video that I am gonna be organizing some stickers. So I do have these reusable sticker books here that I got from Sticky Situations Co. I bought these on Black Friday and I love them. They are absolutely perfect, so neutral with the marble cover. And I have just been wanting a reusable sticker book for a long time. If you saw my, what was it, my first budget plan with me where I give personal finance tips, which is live on my channel, I can link that down below. But you saw that I've been using for like 2 years this really, really badly handmade reusable sticker book that I made when I was at my last job. I just took like sticker release paper that was kind of left over after I made some printables and then I punched and bound them at work. So I was definitely due for a new reusable sticker book. So, and yeah, again, I love these. They're super neutral and awesome and a great price too. So anyway, I sat down to basically organize all my little tiny like freebies because I honestly hate like going through these tiny sheets or like I hate having a million of them and I also hate that I definitely don't go and look for them specifically. So there's a very high chance that I have a sticker in one of these freebies that I could use, but I don't reach for it right when I'm planning. Same thing with those sheets of sampler icons. So I wanted to take all of those sheets and organize my icons in this reusable sticker book by like type of icon or activity that I would use the icon for. And so that is what I sat down to do for this video. And to be honest, it was a, a much more like in-depth and extensive undertaking than I had realized when I went down to do that when I sat down to do this. And I like as the video continues and I'm like, well, first of all, I also did not plan like what sections to divide my icons into or like what order I wanted this reusable sticker book to be organized in, which was totally my bad. But again, I kind of just um, like just wanted to go ahead and get started with the organization. So I kind of just like free styled it in a way. But anyway, so because of that, I am constantly flipping back and forth, and like flipping through all the little sticker sheets and things like that. It was honestly so, so frustrating, and I get more and more frustrated as the video goes on. So that's why this video is titled attempt number one because I totally didn't finish, nowhere close to finishing, and because one, because it was going to take way longer than I had anticipated, and two, I was just getting really, really mad. So, um, I have just sped this video up quite a bit, and I asked for some questions on Instagram last night, and I'm just gonna answer those. Let's see, hold on. Do I want to say anything else about this, like my sticker organization process? Not Again, it wasn't too so much of a process as it was just me putting down stickers as I saw them on the sheets and then flipping to a new page if I didn't already have a page for that type of sticker. So, yeah, I guess not much to talk about like what I'm doing. So I'll get into the questions. The first one is from Claire from Letters from Lay. She says, "Tell us more about Archie, how you got him and named him." So I love this question. Thanks, Claire. I mean, I will take any opportunity to talk about my baby boy. If you don't know, I do have a puppy. His name is Archie, and he is my child, basically. So we got him 14 months ago. And I actually found him on Facebook, funnily enough. Is funnily a word? He was quite old for getting a puppy. So he was 4.5 months when we got him, and he was actually like the last of his litter. Like all his siblings had left him, and he was all alone. And it kind of seemed like no one wanted him, which made me really sad. So that's essentially how we found him. I found him on Facebook. And how did we name him? So for the first 2 days that we had him, he didn't have a name. We basically just called him Puppy or Pup or Baby or some pet name. And it was so difficult. Like, we just searched online for lists of boy names and boy dog names. And it was so, so difficult to come up with a name that we both liked or came up with a name that like didn't remind us of, like have like, negative, not really negative, but like that are associated with other things. So we had narrowed the list down to two names. It was between Archie and Bentley. Um, Archie, we both liked the name. Um, and Bentley, yes, I mean, we both liked both of the names, but I think for Bentley, every time I said that name in my head, all I could think of was Macy from Teen Mom. I think she was on yeah, she was on the first season of Teen Moms, and she named her son Bentley, and she has like a southern accent, so all I could hear in my head was her saying Bentley. And I didn't want that to be in my head every time I referred to my dog. And then as far as Archie, love the name. I loved Archie comics growing up, and I think at the time that we got him, I was watching a lot of Riverdale also, and he is brown and white in color, but for his breed, his main color is actually called red. So I thought the red corresponded with Archie quite nicely. So that's how we named our puppy. Okay, and then Claire's next question was also, what's your secret to being so cool? Girl, you are cray. But yeah, like it's so weird and funny to me that you think I'm cool because I have just been the complete opposite of cool my whole life. I've always been really socially awkward and antisocial and have social anxiety. So like the possibility of me being cool is so like out of the realm of my understanding. But thank you, Claire. Appreciate that you think I'm cool. I think at least I would say in the last like year or two, I've gotten a lot more comfortable with who I am as opposed to who I wish I was. And I think that might potentially contribute to me being cool, but yeah, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna awkwardly go on to the next question. Thanks. Okay, so the next one is from Martha of Plan with Martha, and she asks, "What moment or stage in life caused or created your interest in personal finance?" And I would definitely say it's all because of my dad. Um, he is so financially savvy, and of course, he's, lectured me my whole life about many different things, and personal finance is one of them. Especially for me being a girl, he thought it was super important for me to make sure that I could be independent and financially stable on my own as opposed to relying on, some man to come in and save me. And it was really important for him to make sure that I knew that, and that I would that he could arm me with information to enable that, and arm me with, you know, the education that I needed to be successful in my life and my career, and so that I didn't have to financially depend on anyone else but myself. So yeah, my dad definitely is the one who instilled those thought processes in me. And at first, like, I didn't want to do it. I knew it was important for me to do, but it wasn't something that I wanted to learn or that I had an interest in. So I basically, at the very beginning, I just blindly followed everything that he told me to do, which was definitely a good decision on my part to actually do. But I think, you know, as I've gotten older and, you know, I don't live with my parents anymore, and I realized the importance of being able to manage your own finances. That's kind of how I got more and more interested in it. So, yep, that is my answer to that question. Okay, the next question is from Erica, from Plan with Erica Q, and she asks, "What is your favorite planner item?" And I guess I would say stickers. Like, does that count as a planner item? It has to, right? So I think stickers are definitely my favorite part of at least memory planning. I think that's quite obvious. But yeah, love stickers, love everything about stickers. Loved you know, Lisa Frank stickers growing up. I loved uh like going to the movie theater and going to those like little sticker dispensers where you put the 50 cents in and then you push it in, and then when you pull it out, you get a one sticker. I don't know if you guys remember that, or if anyone did the same thing, but yeah, love stickers. And the next question is from the Narcoleptic Planner, who asked, "What got you into planning?" And I mean, I would say, you know, like the first memory I have of planning is in middle school when I had that planner for assignments, and I used that religiously. So I would say that, you know, homework assignments and trying not to fail is what got me into planning. Okay, next question is from Laura Hook, and she asks, "When are you getting Archie a sibling?" And you, no, 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 no. Archie is an only child, and he will always be an only child, at least for the foreseeable future. I feel like, honestly, being a pet parent is way harder than I ever anticipated. Like, I have had dogs with my family, but obviously with my parents, I was not the sole person taking care of that puppy, right? And so this is like the first, like, my first experience with having like a living thing can be completely dependent on you, and it is so freaking hard. It is so tough. So like, hell no, we are not getting Archie a sibling. He is more than enough for us to handle at the moment. Okay, and the last question I got is from Jenny Mance, and she said, "When can you FaceTime your godson?" And girl, let's FaceTime right now, okay? Call me. Love you. And love Mason. Okay, so let's see. Those are all the questions I got. I didn't get that many. But, you know, I'm not mad about it. Okay, so here we go. This is actually perfect timing because here I am flipping through the finished product, or at least as finished as it is right now. Here are all the organized icons, and it doesn't look like much right now, but again, you know, I got frustrated and just wanted to finish for the day. And so, yeah, I'm pretty happy so far with my ability to organize. And of course, I tried to use these like Giving Girl page flags as tabs, but obviously they're gonna fall off because they are on sticker release paper. Duh. But anyway, here are the sheets that I emptied and I can now throw out, which is so super satisfying. That is the reason why I did what I did in this video. So anyway, thanks for sticking through this with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.